Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, Southern Angel Stamping. My name is Tammy, and look what I have. It's paper pumpkin time. It's the Bouquet of Hope February 2021 paper pumpkin. And we're gonna do the unboxing. So I'm gonna share with you what's in this paper pumpkin. And I'm not going to make any cards actually this time. I'm just going to do the unboxing. We're going to see what's in it, and then make sure you have subscribed, okay? And you've clicked the notification bell so you'll be notified by YouTube when I do my next video. So here is the stamp set, and let's see, I have some paper somewhere. I know I do, because there's a piece of paper on here. Okay. This is the, if you can see it, there's a beautiful bouquet of flowers, great for Mother's Day, a birthday, anything like that. We've got some little flowers here. This looks like little raindrops maybe to me. Let's see, sorry for your loss. This one says, I'll always be here for you. And this says, sharing in your sorrow, thinking of you and wishing I could be there to hold your hand. So that's the stamp set we get this time. The stamping spot this time is Mossy Meadow. So let's get into this kit and see what's in here. I'll have to dump it out. I'm always excited to see my kit every month. Get some scissors. Yep, it's like having a birthday every month, because you never know what your kit is. I mean, none of us do. Okay, so we've got some twine and some little embellishments that look like they're all Mossy Meadow there. We've got our dimensionals. We have envelopes that's got some design on them. Are they all the same? Let's see. Nope. We've got 4 of this pattern here. And we've got, oh, we've got some different colors here. We got 4 of this color with the Mossy Meadow, and 4 of this color. And I'll tell you all the colors in just a minute. Let's see. Oh, look at here. We've got some words here. These stickers, I think they are. Oh, and you know what? We've got different languages again. They did this one another time. So we got thinking of you in English, and then 2 other languages. Okay. They did that one other time. Oh, and then they have this beautiful, look how that, beautiful foiled doilies. Oh, so pretty, 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 pretty. And let's get this out. Look at it. Yep, here's what they look like. Here's the 3 different cards that you can make. And what I was trying to find is the colors. These are more cards that you can make. Let's see. Coordinating colors. Basic black, bumblebee, just jade, Mary Merlot, mossy meadow, and rococo rose. Okay, those are the colors. Okay, so here are, oh, looky there. What fell out there? Vellum. Vellum. Looky there. Oh, look how pretty. Vellum with that gold leafing. Oh, so pretty, so pretty. How many sheets are there? Are there 3 or 4? Is it just 3? Okay, I guess there's 3 of these. And 3 of these. And 3 of these card bases. 3 of the Rococo Rose card bases. Oh, and here we have some little things to pop out here. These little flowers, and this comes out like that. All these little flowers pop out. So I've got 1, 2, 3 pages of those. And then we got these 3 card bases. Okay, and then here's the tags. So we've got this kind of tag. And then we've got this little tag here. And they're trimmed in black this time. So that's different. And then of course they're little glue dots. Okay. So that's what's in this kit. Neat kit. Very different. Very different. They're always so different. They're fun to see what's in each kit. And then of course you always have your instructions. And there's a measurement. And the only thing you need for this kit is one thing. And that's a pair of scissors. That's the only tool you need for these paper pumpkin kits, because everything comes in it, and they give you great instructions with pictures and everything, and it comes in 4 different languages now. So there you go. That's what's in the kit. And like I said, make sure you come back. I'm going to show you exactly. I always show like a card that I mean, they're easy to make, you can see that, but I always come back and then show you cards that you can make with just a little bit of extra Stampin' Up supplies, show you other things you can do. So I thank y'all for watching. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, say hello, and I appreciate y'all watching. Have a blessed day. See you again soon.